To install Chrome in Windows, start by opening your internet browser and navigating to the official Google Chrome download page. Click on the download button to begin downloading the Chrome installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, which is usually found in the Downloads folder. Click on the installer file to run it and start the installation process. You will be prompted with a prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The Chrome installer will then begin to extract and install the necessary files. Wait for the installation to complete. This should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you will be given the option to set Chrome as your default browser. If you want Chrome to be your default browser, check the box next to make Google Chrome my default browser. Click on the Finish button to complete the installation. Chrome will now be installed on your Windows device and you can start using it to browse the internet. It is also a good idea to keep your browser up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window and select Help and then About Google Chrome. Chrome will then check for any updates and install them if necessary. By following these steps, you should now have Google Chrome installed on your Windows device and be able to use it to browse the internet. Remember to keep your browser up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features.